Master the word alike for IELTS success. Have you ever struggled to describe how two things are similar? Today, we're exploring a versatile and precise word that can elevate your English vocabulary. Alike. This word is essential for IELTS candidates aiming for a band score of 8.0, as it demonstrates a sophisticated grasp of comparative language. Word type. Alike functions primarily as an adjective, but it can also serve as an adverb in certain contexts. Meaning, alike means similar to each other or having the same characteristics. It implies a strong resemblance or correspondence between two or more things, people, or situations. Word history. The word alike has its roots in Old English, derived from the phrase of like, meaning having the same form. It has been in use since before the 12th century, maintaining its core meaning throughout the centuries. Antonyms. To fully understand alike, it's helpful to consider its opposites. Some antonyms include different, dissimilar, distinct, and unlike. These words emphasize contrast rather than similarity. Synonyms. Expanding your vocabulary with synonyms for alike can enhance your language precision. Some synonyms include similar, identical, comparable, equivalent, and analogous. Each of these words carries subtle nuances, allowing for more accurate comparisons. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use alike in various contexts. Here are some examples. The twin sisters look so alike that even their parents sometimes confuse them. Although from different cultures, the two creation myths were surprisingly alike in their core elements. The new employee and manager think alike, which has led to a harmonious working relationship. Environmentalists and industrialists rarely see eye to eye, as their values are not alike. Common errors in use. While alike is a relatively straightforward word, there are some common mistakes to avoid. One frequent error is using alike immediately before a noun. For example, it's incorrect to say alike people. Instead, you should say people who are alike or similar people. Another mistake is confusing alike with like. Remember, alike is used for comparisons between two or more things, while like is often used to introduce examples. To wrap up, mastering the word alike and its usage will significantly enhance your ability to make comparisons and express similarities in English. This versatile word, with its rich history and nuanced meaning, is a valuable addition to your IELTS vocabulary arsenal. By incorporating alike into your language repertoire, you'll demonstrate a sophisticated command of English, pushing you closer to that coveted band score of 8.0.